ito pa isang sagot kung bakit madaming nagdudusa tsaka nahihirapan dito kung imaginein mo na apply yun sa lahat ng tao.
One of the most popular apologetics questions is, why would a good God allow bad things to happen to good people? And this is commonly referred to as the problem of evil. Now, there are a lot of different answers that we could give to this, but let me just give you one of them. One of the main things that we have to understand is that we have finite minds and God has an infinite mind. And so oftentimes God has a greater purpose for why he allows certain types of things that on the surface may seem to be negative or painful or evil, but then God has a greater purpose. The best example of this is Jesus Christ. God put Jesus Christ on the cross, and that seems like such an evil thing for a loving God to do to his perfect son. But God had a greater purpose, and that purpose was the salvation of people like you and like me.
Pwedeng ganito, pwedeng ito rin yung isa sa dahilan kung bakit hinahayaan niya na may mag-suffer dito sa mundong to. Magagamit niya din pala yun for greater purpose. Diba? Sinabi doon, for greater purpose, kaya niya hinahayaan to. Ngayon, ano yung greater purpose? Pwedeng ito yung isa lang ha. Diba lahat ng nakikita mo nagsasuffer, lahat ng pinapatay, nire-rape, pinaabuso. Kunyari ikaw, may pinatay ka, may nire-rape ka, may inabuso ka. Mga namamatay sa pigsa, sa ulungan, namamatay sa cancer. Lahat ng hindi tumanggap sa Panginoong Hesukristo, doon makukulong sa loop na yun. Doon makukulong sa point of view nila. Yung consciousness nila, doon lang pwedeng makiisa o sumanib. Yun lang yung makikita nyo for eternally. So imagine ganito, lahat ng nire-rape, doon pwede mo i-switch yung point of view mo doon afterlife. Lahat ng tinotorture, lahat ng chinachap-chap, lahat ng nasunog ng buhay, lahat ng namatay sa pigsa sa kulungan. Doon ka na lang makakapunta. Itong nakikita mo, tsaka nararamdaman mo, yung consciousness mo mismo, doon na lang makakapunta. Doon na lang magiging aware, kasi nararamdaman mo lahat ng pagdurusa nila. Yung sa paulit-ulit na kamatayan. Tas ayun na yung hell, ayun na yung loop of consequences ng mga sin mo, ng mga kasalanan mo ditong ginawa. Diba? Habang pinapatay ka doon paulit-ulit, maaalala mo lahat ng ginawa mong pagtanggi dito, tsaka mga kasalanan mo. Tas ayun na pala yung greater purpose kung bakit may mga nahihirapan sa paligid mo ngayon, kung bakit may mga nakikita kang namamatay.